Hello everyone and welcome to Amazon. Today we are going to take a closer look at the most powerful OnePlus Nord ever produced, the OnePlus Nord 3. So let's dive in and explore all the incredible features this brand new smartphone has to offer. The OnePlus Nord 3 is powered by the highly effective and efficient MediaTek 9000 processor. This 5G-ready chipset takes processing speed to a whole new level. It's a significant upgrade over its predecessor in terms of performance, whether it's switching through multiple heavy apps at the same time or gaming at high settings. This chipset does it all with ease and without any lag. The inbuilt graphic game engine enhances your gaming visuals and empowers you to game better. But that's not all. The image enhancement sensors transform your overall photography experience, and it also enhances by offering better low-light images and colorful nightscape shots. The Nord 3 camera setup is truly impressive, featuring a 50-megapixel IMX890 flagship main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. The quality of the images you'll capture is truly remarkable. The Turbo Raw Night feature ensures exceptional image quality in low-light environment. And when it comes to video recording, the OnePlus Nord 3 allows you to capture high-quality 4K videos at 60 frames per second. This is definitely one of the best camera setups available in this segment. The OnePlus Nord 3 offers two RAM variants, 8GB and a massive 16GB option. Experience next-level multitasking capabilities as you switch between various heavy applications at the same time. The lag-free performance ensures a smooth experience no matter how demanding your usage might be. Moving on. Now, let's talk about the operating system. The OnePlus Nord 3 supports Oxygen OS 13.1, which introduces new features and guarantees a fast and hassle-free experience. You can expect seamless navigation, customization and effortless usability. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Nord 3 is its 80-watt Super Whoop charging. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety while enjoying your favorite games or OTT content. The rapid charging capability ensures that you stay powered up in a couple of minutes and you're ready to go again. With the 5000 mAh battery, get the power to stay charged up throughout the day. Moving on to its display. The OnePlus Nord 3 truly impresses with its 6.72-inch AMOLED display, offering an exceptional 1.5K resolution. Experience immersive content viewing on all your favorite content with this display. The visuals are vibrant, and the 120Hz refresh rate takes your browsing and gaming experience to the next level. To sum it up, the OnePlus Nord 3 is a complete package designed to deliver the best user experience. From its powerful processor and exceptional camera capabilities to the sleek display and efficient operating system, the phone has it all. I hope you found this video to be useful. Thank you so much for watching.